Dito na naman ay inyong pobreng lakwachera sa Jumerica. Yun lang ang maganda dito, kahit wala ka masyadong budget, pero may panggas ka naman, naku, kung saan-saan ka pwedeng makapunta. Basta ba't nakahiligan mo yung pag-drive at adventurous ka rin katulad namin, naku, hindi ka mabuboard dito. Anyways, tara, dito naman tayo sa Lone Cypress. It's a famous Monterey Cypress. It's one of the most visited stops along the 17-mile drive. In short, kahoy ragud ni siya nga nalahi na adito sa tumoy sa bato. Mao nang gitawag siya lone kay lonely. And so mysterious, kanitubo siya sa bato. Granite pa. But what I really want to share is the lesson that we could all learn from that tree. Despite of its harsh environment. Nakita nyo naman, nasa dulo talaga siya at ang lakas ng hangin. He's standing up there for centuries. That tree actually became a symbol of resilience and perseverance. Di lang yan, it also teaches us the importance of adaptability and yung pagiging flexible. Siguro kung hindi siya flexible, matagal na yan natumba or nabaling. Sa lakas ba naman ng hangin? So, minsan sa buhay, no matter how strong-headed you are, and to some na may strong personality, it helps them to learn how to adopt the current and changing circumstances, be it in career, lifestyle, or to life in general. And one last lesson is to stay rooted kung saan man tayo nilagay ni Lord ngayon.